Hi everyone, this is first year mathematics B, transformation of axis, day number 2. Already we know translation of axis. The definition of translation of axis is origin is shifted to any point but without changing the direction of axis. Axis direction are not changed. Origin is shifted to some point h comma k only. Already we know formula here x is equal to old point x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to formula y dash plus k. By using above formula, x dash is equal to x minus h and y dash is equal to y minus k only. Indirectly, what is given here when origin is shifted? Once again, repeat here. When origin is shifted to 2 comma 3. Origin is shifted means shifted origin already we know h comma k. Okay. By translation of axis, the coordinates of point changes in follow. Means given three problems. Changes means here this one is x dash and y dash. This one is x dash. This one is y dash. X dash and y dash. What you want? Find the original coordinates. What you have to find? You have to find original coordinates. What is given? Is given. Shifted origin is given. H comma k is given. What you have to find? We have to find original. We have to find original. Original means old. We have to find old means given or new only. Otherwise, you are asking question. Here is a new. These are old only. But what you asking? You are asking find the original coordinates. What you have to find? We have to find original means given or new. Suppose they are asking find the new given or old. But now present problem they ask find the original coordinates. What you want? You want the original coordinates. Means this one are new. Shifted origin given that. What is given that? Given that shifted origin h comma k is equal 2 comma 3 is given and x dash y dash is equal new point. What new points? 4 comma 5. What you want? You want x comma y. Find the x comma. What is the formula for x? X is equal to formula x dash plus h. X dash is equal to 4 plus h is equal to 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Y is equal to formula y dash plus k. Y dash plus k. What is the y dash value? Y dash value is 5 plus k value is 3. K value is 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. What is the answer here? 6 comma 8 is the new old coordinates of 4 comma 5. Similarly, second problem solution. What is second problem solution? Here x dash y dash. These are x comma. What you want? You want x. X is equal to formula x dash plus h. What is x dash value? X dash value is minus 4. H value is plus 2. That is equal to only minus 2. Next one y dash. Y is equal to formula y dash plus k. Y equal to formula is y dash plus k. What is the y dash value? Y dash value is 3. Plus what is the k value? K value is 3. Answer is 6. 2 comma 6 are the old coordinate. Similarly, last one. What you want? You want x dash. X dash is equal to x plus h. X dash value is 0. H value is 2. Therefore, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2 only. Y is equal y dash plus k. What is the y dash value? Y dash value is 0 plus k value is 3. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. 2 comma 3 are the old coordinates. Once again, I will repeat the concept. When origin is shifted to 2 comma 3 means shifted origin h comma k already know. Shifted origin h comma k. What you want? You find the old. You have to find old. Given is a new. We have to find new. Given is a old. But you have to find the old means given are new. New means x dash y dash. Old means x comma y. Shifted origin h comma k only. Right a problem? Find the shifted origin. Find the shifted origin. Find the shifted origin. Find the shifted origin so that the point 3 comma 0 may changes to 3 comma 0 may changes to 2 comma minus 3. Find the shifted origin. What you have to find? You have to find shifted origin means already we know. What you have to find? You have to find h comma k. What you want? You want h comma k. So the point 3 comma 0 may changes to 2 comma minus 3. 3 comma 0 may changes to 2 comma minus 3. 3 comma 0 is old. It changes to 2 comma minus 3. It changed to 2 comma minus 3 means this one is x. This one is x dash and y dash. It changes to this one. So this one is old. This one is new. So what you want? You want h comma k. Solution h comma k. What you want? You want h comma k is the formula. All we know x is equal to formula h dash plus h. So h is equal to formula x minus h dash. Y is equal to formula y dash plus k. K is equal to formula y minus y dash. What you have to find? H comma k. H is equal to formula x minus x dash. K equal to formula y minus y dash. What is the x value here? X value is 3. X value is 3 minus x dash value is 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Next, k is equal to y minus y dash. What is the y value? 0. What is the y dash? Y dash value is minus or minus plus 3. 1 comma 3 is the shifted origin. You want to find the shifted origin. You want old and new. So what is the old? 3 comma 0 may changes to 2 comma minus 3. It changes to 2 comma minus. Changes means first one is old. This one is a new. Old means x comma y. New means x dash and y dash. Next problem. When origin is shifted to OS means origin is shifted to minus 1 comma 2 by translation of axis. Find transformed equation of x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Previous problems are only asking find the new point, find the old point, find the shifted origin. But the ask question here, transform the equation. I want the equation. Repeat the question. What is given? When origin is shifted to minus 1 comma 2 means shifted origin is h comma k is equal to minus 1 comma 2 is given. Indirectly h is equal to minus 1, k is equal to 2. What you have to you find transformed equation. Find transformed. Transformed means new. What you have to find? Find transformed. What you want? You want transformed means given is the old equation. Given that old equation is why? Because given equation is you have to find new. Transform means given equation is old equation. Old equation means x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Given point is shifted origin h comma k. Old equation this one. Old equation can satisfy only old points. New equation can satisfy only new point. What you want here? Old. You want transformed. I want new. New means given is a old. So old x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Old equation can satisfy only old point. What is the old point here? X is equal to x dash plus h. Y is equal to y dash plus k. Already we know formula. X is equal. What is the x dash value here? As it is x dash only. What is the h value? Here minus 1. Y is equal y dash plus k. Y dash is as it is. What is the plus k? k value is 2. Indirectly x is equal to x dash minus 1, y is equal to y dash plus 2. What is the value? X is equal to x dash minus 1, y is equal to y dash plus 2. Once again I will repeat. What you want? You want the new equation. We want the new equation. So given equation is a old equation. Old equation means x comma y only. So writing only x square y square 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal 0. Old equation can satisfy only old points. What is the old formula? X is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k, x dash h value is minus 1, y dash k value is plus 2. So now substitute in place of x is equal to x minus 1, y is equal to y plus 2 only to remove the dash. Just only simplification. Simplification purpose to remove the x dash value. Remove the dash means we get x. Remove the dash means we get only y. In place of x is equal to x minus 1, y is equal to y plus 2. Indirectly remove dash only. Remove only dash. This is easy purpose, just only simplification purpose. In place of x is equal to substitute x minus 1. Given equation divert into the what old equation in place of x is equal to here x minus 1 whole square plus y square means y plus 2 whole square plus 2x means 2 of x minus 1 plus 4y. Minus 4y means 4 into y plus 2 already plus 1 is equal to 0. Once again I will repeat. In place of x is equal to x minus 1, y is equal to y plus 2. X square means x minus 1 whole square. Y square means y plus 2 whole square. 2x means 2 of x minus 1. 4 of y is equal to y plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. General simplification here. What is the formula here? A minus b whole square formula. A square means x square, b square minus 2x. Next, a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 4y plus 2 into x, 2x minus 2 minus 4y minus 8 plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus y square. How many x here? Minus 2x plus 2x get cancel. Remaining part here? Here plus 4y minus 4y get cancel. X square plus y square. Next, how many constants here? 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Positive 6, negative 10. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Given equation is x square plus y square is equal 4 is our required solution. Once again I will repeat. Previous problems are just you have to find only old and new. But asking a transformed equation. Once again I will explain the clear. What you want? You want the transformed. Transformed means indirectly new. You want to find new means given is a old. Old means x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y equal 0. For example, they ask is a find the old equation means these are new means x dash square, y dash square, 2x dash minus 4y dash plus 1 is equal to 0. In place of x is equal formula x dash is equal to x minus h only. General simplification. We get answer is x square plus y square is equal 4. Next problem. Write one problem. When origin is shifted to minus 1 comma 2 by translation of axis, find the transformed equation of x square plus y square, 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0. The one problem same as the last problem. Next one, rotation of axis. Already we know transformation of axis are 3 types. One is the translation of axis, second one is the rotation of axis, Third one is the rotation and transformation of the axis. Rotation and translation of axis means both first and second. Now, rotation of axis. Definition of rotation of axis. Rotation of axis. What definition? Rotate the both axes. Rotate the both axes and equal angle without changing the position of origin. Once again I will repeat. What is the rotation of axis? The rotate the both axes. Both axes means rotate the x comma y axis by an equal angle. Without changing the position of origin. Origin is not shifted, but axes are rotated through the same angle like a spin. For example, already we know this one is a x axis, this one is a y axis. Origin is fixed, not changed. 0, 0 not changed. What he asking? The rotate the both axes by equal angle. For example, rotated to theta. It can transform to, this one is a theta. It can be transformed, rotated to theta. So this one is h dash. Similarly, y can transform to same like theta is a y dash. Here origin is not changed. Origin is fixed, but axes are rotated to x to x dash, y to y dash. Here only changing the direction of axis only. Previous definition, direction of axis is fixed. Origin is shifted. Now here present origin is fixed, but axis direction has changed. So to rotate the theta equal angle, just transform x to x dash with a theta angle. Similarly, y can be transformed to y to y dash. Y to y. Here also same, x comma y are old, x dash y dash. X comma y are old and x dash comma y dash are new axis. What is that? X comma y are old. X comma y are old. X dash and y dash are new. Suppose I want the formula. What is the formula for tabular form here? Here x dash and y dash. Can I write here? Listen carefully. X dash and y dash, x, y. Score A. Cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Tabular form is most important. Don't buy at the formula. Here x comma y are old. X comma y are old. X dash comma y dash are new. Suppose I want formula of old, x is equal. So I want x means to cover the x boxes total. To cover the x box. X boxes means cos theta minus sin theta. Indirectly x dash into cos theta plus y dash into minus sin theta. I want x. So cover the x total box. X dash into cos theta. X is equal x dash cos theta. Next and minus y dash sin theta. X is equal x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Once again, x is equal x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Similarly, tell me what is the y? Y is equal cover the y boxes. X dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Once again I will repeat, x is equal x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. What you want? You want y. So cover the y box. X dash into sin theta plus y dash into cos theta. I want new sir. New x dash is equal. Now cover the x dash box. X dash box means x into cos theta, y into sin theta.